I'm just going off a recipe that somebody told me. I don't know if it's gonna work. I have no clue. There's 10 cups. 10 cups of water. They didn't say hot, warm, cold, whatever. They did say 1 cup of blue. Wish I would not have done that. Got it all over myself. Alright, I got it all out. How am I put my hands over on the side? Dang it, just dribble it all over myself again. Look, I am going to color it. I just want it to be pink. I want to make watermelon. I'm not putting watermelon scent in here because I don't know if it'll change the color. Okay, I added a little more. Time to activate. So they said half a cup. So I'm going to literally measure this out. Said about half a cup. And I should feel it come together. I don't feel anything